The FROGBRO TRMS 20000 digital multimeter is a versatile tool. It measures many electrical things. For instance, it checks voltage and current. It also measures resistance. This multimeter has an NCV function. NCV means non-contact voltage. It finds live wires without touching them. This adds a layer of safety. Furthermore, it tests diodes. You can even measure temperature with it. The FROGBRO TRMS 20000 digital multimeter is a great helper. It is like a Swiss Army knife for electronics. It simplifies complex tasks. Indeed, it makes troubleshooting easier. Moreover, this device goes beyond basic measurements. It checks car dwell angle. It measures engine speed. It even assesses pulse width. These features are useful for car enthusiasts. They help with engine diagnostics. The auto multimeter tester function is also helpful. It automatically selects the right range. This prevents user error. Therefore, it is simple to use. It saves time and effort. The FROGBRO TRMS 20000 digital multimeter is a reliable companion. It provides accurate readings. Thus, you can trust its results. In conclusion, the FROGBRO TRMS 20000 digital multimeter offers a wide range of functions. It is excellent for hobbyists. It also suits professionals. Its counting digital voltmeter is precise. The NCV function enhances safety. The auto multimeter tester simplifies operation. Additionally, its ability to measure car parameters is a bonus. Ultimately, this device is a powerful tool. It brings many capabilities to your fingertips. Buy it now. You will not regret it. Pros: display clarity, easy to move from one function, rapid update, comprehensive tool, true RMS. Capability ensures precise readings. NCV function enhances safety, tests diodes. Temperature, car dwell angle, robust build, user-friendly interface, backlit display, rechargeable, rugged. Additional automotive functions, high measurement resolution, temperature measurement function, built-in NCV sensor, good quality leads, nice semi-hard case, intuitive push-button interface. Impressively fast response time, functional case holds everything. Unique design resembles tech. Shop meter, large display that can be angled, charges via USB cons. Backlight is side lit, text at an odd angle difficult, text on the buttons could be bigger. Bolder font for buttons, manual in small print features. 20,000 count display, NCV function, auto ranging multimeter, measures voltage, measures current, measures resistance, diode test, measures temperature, car dwell angle measurement. Engine speed measurement. The FROGBRO TRMS 20000 is a versatile digital voltmeter that can do a lot more than just measure voltage. It's an auto-ranging multimeter, which means it automatically picks the right setting for what you're testing. You can use it to measure things like electrical current and resistance. It also has special features like an NCV function to detect live wires without touching them. And it can even check diodes. For car enthusiasts, it can measure car dwell angle and engine speed. And it can even tell you the temperature and pulse width. All of this information is shown on its clear 20,000 count display. The FROGBRO TRMS 20000 digital voltmeter is a comprehensive and user-friendly tool. Perfect for anyone from a hobbyist to a professional. It offers a wide range of measurement capabilities, including voltage, current, resistance, diode, temperature, car dwell angle, engine speed, and pulse width, all with precise true RMS readings. Key features like its bright, angle-adjustable display, built-in NCV for safety, and impressively fast response time make it a joy to use. The meter comes with a sturdy case, good quality leads, and charges conveniently via USB, making it a reliable and versatile choice for automotive and general electrical tasks. However, some users might find the button text and manual print a bit small.